Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina Kimpton and I am the owner of Kimpton Farms Artisan Bakery. Here on this channel, we talk about all things microbakery, how to start one, how to nurture one, how to grow one, and how to actually turn it into something sustainable from home. So if that is something you are interested in, make sure you hit subscribe, follow along because I'm putting out new videos every week, sharing everything I have learned along the way. So, okay, let's dive into today's video. Today, I want to talk about something that I see holding so many people back, and that is the idea that you need a storefront to be successful. So I can't tell you how many messages I get where people say things like, I want to start a bakery, but I don't have space. I don't have the money for a storefront. I don't have equipment yet. And they feel stuck before they even start, right? And I get it because for a long time, that's what success looked like. Now, there's nothing wrong with the storefront, but a physical bakery, a shop, a place people could walk into, that was the goal, right? But what I want to share with you is this. That's not only that is not the only way anymore. And for a lot of people, it's actually not the best way to start because, in my opinion, what most people don't see when they think about opening a storefront is everything that goes with it. Trust me, I get caught up in, dreaming of a place where people can park up and bring their families to and things like that. But I've kind of evolved and have changed my way of thinking because the overhead, the rent, utilities, the employees, the pressure to constantly produce and sell just to break even, that sounds exhausting. And if you're just starting out, that kind of pressure can shut things down before they even have a chance to grow. And sometimes it's sloppy. And that is exactly why I chose a different route. So I started from home in my own kitchen with what I already had, and I just built it from there. And I want to say this really clearly. A microbakery is not a less than version of a bakery. Please hear me. It is not a stepping stone because you can't do a storefront. It is actually a strategy. It is a way to build something intentionally without putting yourself in a position where you're overwhelmed financially or operationally right from the start. Because when you start from home, you get to focus on what actually matters: your product, your process, your people, right? You get to figure out what sells, what people love, and what you enjoy making because your people will know without the pressure of needing everything to work immediately. And that is powerful because it gives you room to grow. And I think this is where a lot of people get stuck. So they're waiting, right? They're waiting for the perfect setup. They're waiting for more money. They're waiting for more time. They're waiting to feel ready, right? But that moment, it really doesn't come. Clarity doesn't come from waiting. It comes from doing, right? So it comes from starting small and learning as you go. And I know that can feel uncomfortable. I totally get it. But because starting from home feels simple, it doesn't feel like this big official thing. But don't confuse simple with ineffective. Some of the most successful businesses started exactly this way. So built slowly, built intentionally, built with real connection to the people they're serving, right? And I've seen it over and over again. And people who start small, who stay consistent, who focus on quality and experience, they're the ones who actually build something sustainable, not the ones who rush into something too big too fast. And I want you to really, really hear this. You don't need everything figured out to start, right? You don't need a storefront. You don't need a full kitchen, a huge menu, a big following. You just need a starting point. That's it. And from there, you build, you learn, you adjust, you grow. And that growth is what creates confidence, right? Not the other way around. So if you've been sitting on this idea, if you've been thinking about starting something, like this, but you keep telling yourself, not yet, or I'm not sure, I want you to ask yourself why. Is it really because you're not ready? Or is it because you're waiting for something that you don't actually need? Because a lot of times that's what it is. And once you remove that added pressure, everything becomes a lot more doable. and when things start to feel possible. And that's when people actually begin. And that's exactly why I share what I do here, because I want you to see that this is possible without overcomplicating it, without like overextending yourself, without waiting years to start something that you could begin right now. And if you're getting started, I do have a free guide linked below that walks you through the basics step by step. It's nothing fancy, but it is just something nice to have in front of you. And if you're already like ready for something more structured, where everything is laid out for you in a clear path, that is exactly what my blueprint was created for. But wherever you're at right now, start where you're at. Use what you have and just build it from there. If this video helped you or shifted your perspective, make sure to like this video. It really helps support my channel. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'm going to be sharing more about how to actually build, grow, and sustain a micro bakery from home step by step. All right, I'll see you guys later, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.